Hey everyone, it's Mimsy. I'm going to show you quickly how to do a zippered pillow. I decided to do this on this pumpkin pillow because I'm using a contrasting fabric for the back, and it's so easy to see the front and the back of the pillow. So I'm going to do a quick tutorial on this. So obviously it's already cut out. That part is simple. You just cut your pillow 20 by 20 or whatever size it is you decide to do. And grab your zipper, and I've already made my zipper. I make them myself out of Zipper by the Yard, but you can use a ready-made zipper for this. So obviously we have to do right side to right side on the pillow. So I'm going to flip over my pumpkin so that I've got right side to right side on the fabric. So there you have it. And my zipper is obviously going to go in the bottom of the pillow. So if your fabric has a pattern, make sure you put your zipper on the bottom of your fabric. So what you're going to do is take your zipper and you're going to line it up at the bottom of the pillow, and you want to have the zipper pull face down on your cutout pillow, because obviously this is going to be turned over like this, and you want to obviously have the zipper pull on the outside of the pillow. So you're going to set this face down on the back of your pillow. Then you want to have your zipper foot or your welt foot installed. This is my zipper foot here. We're going to set it all the way to the side setting. And I'm going to go ahead and sew my zipper on the back side of my pillow first. Zipper pull down, okay? And you're going to back stitch this a couple times because there's a lot of tension on the zipper, obviously. And just keep it lined up to the bottom of your pillow. And you're going to sew as close to the teeth as possible, but obviously don't sew into the teeth because you won't be able to open your zipper. And back stitch it a couple times. So that's that. So then you're going to line this up. Make sure your pillow is totally lined up. And my back side's slightly larger, but it's pretty lined up there. Open that up, and you're going to open your zipper up a bit so that when you sew it all the way around, you can get into it. And go ahead and line it up on the front side of your pillow and put a pin in there. You may, if you're a beginner, you may want to pin all the way down, down the pillow, but not necessary. So I'm going to go ahead and flip this over and sew as close to the teeth as possible on the front side of the pillow. Back stitch. Getting around this zipper pull is a little difficult, so slow down there. Or what you can do is open it up, sew it, and then close it. Couple back stitches. Okay, so now the zipper is in, and I'm going to open it up about halfway so that when I sew around I can get my hand in there to open the pillow up. So now the idea is we are going to sew all the way around the other three sides of the pillow. So you're going to start right here, and I'm going to start sewing at about 1/2 inch into where the zipper is, obviously on this side of where the zipper is. So we're going to line it up, come in close, and we're going to sew. We're going to start here, about the zipper ends right here, and we're going to start sewing about here. So we're going to be on the inside of where the zipper ends, okay? And obviously I have to adjust my needle to the other side of the foot so I can get in nice and close to the next to that zipper. Drop your needle in. I'm going to back stitch a couple times here because this is where there's a lot of tension on the pillow when you're stuffing it. And then you get to the corner, drop your needle in at the corner, pick up your foot, and rotate. Drop your foot back down and sew all the way down the side. Now this is down this whole side, you're gonna do about a 1/2 inch or 5/8 inch seam. Get to the corner, I like to back stitch just a couple stitches in the corners. Drop your needle down, lift up your foot, and rotate your pillow. Back stitch a couple times at the corner again, and go all the way across. Same thing. I'm gonna back stitch, drop my needle down and rotate. And we're gonna do the same thing here. This is where the zipper ends. We're gonna sew to about probably here, but on this side, obviously you can see the zipper is right there. So we're gonna sew as close as we can there without hitting the teeth. Show you that. Here, get it good and close. So you see how I ended my stitch right there? This is the zipper sewn in. So we're in about 1/2 inch into the zipper. And I'll show you. I'm going to turn this around. First, what I'm going to do is clip all my corners. Clip your corners. Don't hit your stitches, obviously. You're gonna clip them just enough so that when you turn it around, there's not as much bulk on the inside of your pillow. So now I'm gonna turn this around, open it up. It gets kind of wrinkled. This pillow will have to be ironed once I get it turned around before I stuff it. And push the corners out real good. This is why I back stitch in the corners, because you have to push the corners out. Good. Okay. And I would serge this, but I'm not going to show you that right now. So there it is. There's the sewn pillow, and I'll show it to you stuffed, but I want to show you how the zipper looks. So you see how, because we stitched in front of that zipper, it covers up the ends of the zipper and makes a nice clean closure there. Same thing here. The zipper is hidden underneath there. And I'll show it to you on a stuffed pillow, how it looks. So that's it. And I'll go grab the stuffed pillow that I've already done and just give you a quick view of that. So that's it. That's how quickly you can sew a pillow. That easy. It's Mimsy from mimsyandcompany.com. I'll be right back. And ready to beautify your sofa or your chair. I'm going to show you the zipper now with the zipper in there. And how nicely when you sew in front of there, like I said, it kind of covers up the end of that zipper and all the way over to there. See how that end is nice and covered? Almost like an invisible zipper. This is not an invisible zipper. I can do a tutorial for invisible zipper, but obviously you see that zipper. But this is a really super simple way to make a pillow, a zippered pillow. So you can change your pillow covers seasonally or whenever it is you want. So I'll do another one on invisible zipper, but that's just a regular pillow with a zipper. That easy. Thanks you guys. Mimsy from mimsyandcompany.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment below. Thanks you guys.